Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you my review of the Huawei Matebook D. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The Huawei Matebook D is a new mid-range laptop from Huawei that promises to offer a sleek build, great performance and great battery life for a lower price than the competition. The laptop comes in a few different variants with different prices ranging from $600 to $1000, and here I have the lower end version with the AMD Ryzen CPU at $600. All the components of the laptop will be similar on all models except the specs, so other than the performance, there won't be any difference between all the different variants. In this review, I'll be going over the main aspects of the laptop, including design and build, port selection, keyboard and trackpad, sound, display, performance, thermals and battery life. So without any further ado, let's get right into the first component of the laptop, which is the design and build quality. The Huawei Matebook D's build quality is actually quite solid, as it comes with a full metal unibody design that looks really sleek and stylish. The laptop looks really similar to the MacBooks in a lot of ways, but in my opinion, that is actually a good thing. The whole of the laptop is coated with a silver finish that gives off a premium look, and the looks of the laptop are some of the best among its competition. The Huawei Matebook D is also extremely thin and light, weighing in at just 1.5 kilos, which is probably the least weight out of its competitors, and overall, the laptop is very well built. The port selection and input available is also good for a thin laptop. With this, you get two USB ports, one USB 3.1 and one USB 2, a USB Type-C port, a HDMI port, and headphone microphone combo jack. This is good enough for most in my opinion, and it offers a lot more ports than the MacBooks do, even though their designs are similar. The keyboard and trackpad are also another plus point, as they should be for any laptop. The Matebook D has a chiclet keyboard that is slightly recessed and is almost as wide as the desktop keyboard. The keys are flat, large and well labeled and have good pressure points. The keyboard also features two levels of backlighting, which is quite useful in many situations. The trackpad here has a smooth surface that is easy to use, is precise and responsive, and features multi-touch gestures that work really well. The sound quality on this is above average when compared to most laptops. All the frequencies here sound equally good and clear, and if the audio was a bit louder, I would have definitely said that these were one of the best sounding speakers on any laptop. The display on this is quite good and is what you would expect on a $600 laptop. It is a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen panel that has accurate colors and contrast, good sharpness, decent viewing angles, and a useful touchscreen ability. The biggest weakness for the display is the really glossy surface that increases reflections, but other than that, the display is more than good enough for any use. The performance on the laptop is above average when compared to most laptops at this price. The specs on this include the AMD Ryzen 5 2500U CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 128GB NVMe SSD, the AMD Vega 8 GPU, and Windows 10 Pro. While these specs are certainly not the best you can get for the price, this is definitely the most sleek looking laptop that offers this much performance for this price. Because of these specs, the laptop has really good normal day-to-day performance and is even capable of editing and even a bit of gaming. The only real negative here is the low storage space, which you can upgrade quite easily, and the available storage here is quite quick and is good enough for casual use. The thermals on the laptop are also surprisingly solid. Here, the Matebook consistently stays cool and quiet even after long periods of use and even after heavy use such as gaming and editing. Battery life on this is yet again solid and is a big selling point for me. The laptop consistently lasts around 9 to 10 hours on a single charge with medium usage, which is quite impressive, and lasts around 3 hours longer than the average laptop. So the final verdict for the laptop is that for $600, I feel like this is probably one of the best options. There is pretty much nothing that I particularly dislike about the laptop, and almost every aspect was positive here. Therefore, if you want a sleek, thin and light laptop, then the Huawei Matebook D is probably the best option you have. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.